Already out. In 1 minute, I'm going to teach you how to wax your own underarms. You're going to want to cleanse your skin. You want to powder, grab a nice little chunk of wax, and you're going to work your way up. Since I don't have a lot of hair, I don't really have to go by sections here. So I'm going all the way up. Make sure you add a lot of pressure when you're applying the wax. Create a nice little lip. Mine's kind of shitty because I'm waxing myself. 1, 2, 3, pull. And gross. But it picked up almost everything. And I'm gonna just go back down the opposite way to kind of get any leftover hairs that were left behind. Don't mind my really shitty job. It's really hard to wax your own self. It's possible. A little bit of practice. Make sure you get the edges all nice and even. Shitty lip again, but it's okay. Still works. 1, 2, 3, and pull. Now you're gonna apply some cream and call it a day.